till morning.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, it's another vlog. Today is Thursday and we have a public holiday today. The kids, they didn't go to school, so right now I'm preparing like a breakfast. So most of the time, especially weekends or when they have public holiday, we normally prepare like a different breakfast, because most of the time, like if they're going to school, they normally take bread and other things. So weekends and or public holiday, I normally try to do something different, which I'm doing this morning. So here I'm frying my plantain, guys. So we still have another one here. Hope you show it. So I'm trying to prepare like plantain with a scrambled egg as well as custard. Yeah, so that is what we'll be taking as breakfast this morning. Guys, don't mind my hair. Last night I tried to wash my hair because today I'm definitely going to be doing my hair as well. You know, summertime I love to, leave my natural hair out. That is when I normally, rock my natural hair like very well. But it's almost like 1 month now. So today I'll try to do something with my hair, yeah. But first of all, I just wash Amarachi's hair, and I'll be doing her hair because tomorrow they'll be going somewhere with where they normally do their homework. Tomorrow is also tomorrow is not really public holiday because of today is Thursday, so they gave them like tomorrow free, so they will not be going to school tomorrow. Yeah, guys, it's already like 11 o'clock in the morning and the sun is shining everywhere. It's hot. As you can see, I put fan here because without this fan I can't be able to stay here in this kitchen here. So I'll be taking you guys like along whatever I'm going to be doing today. Okay, I hope you're going to stay tuned and enjoy today's vlog. And if today is your first time here, you're highly welcome. My name is Macy. I'm in Nigeria, currently living here in Germany with my family. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, so keep watching, guys. So let's get back to our breakfast. Yeah. So this is our breakfast. We are about to eat. Yeah, we are going to eat together, just like in Nigeria. In Nigeria, we normally eat together. Okay. So this is a Nigeria breakfast. Okay.
Egg.
Yeah, we are going to go ahead now and eat, but I don't think I will not be eating though. Because it's kind of too early, so I will be eating like around 2. Yeah. So you people should start eating. Okay.
Okay.
Like today is supposed to be a busy day for me, but it turned out to be a lazy day for me. Not really lazy, I have achieved like most of the things I supposed to achieve today. After the breakfast, I did Amarachi hair, but I'm still not done with Amarachi's hair because right now it's almost 3 p.m. So I'm supposed to go ahead and cook the soup now. So that is what I'll be doing right now. But guys, I'm damn tired to be honest. If Amarachi is not going like this outing tomorrow with their friends, I would have even wait until tomorrow, then I'll do her hair. So right now I'll be going to the kitchen and start cooking our soup. Okay, even before now I put chicken legs and the french fries in the oven, so they have eaten after the breakfast. They have eaten their lunch. So up to this moment I have not even eaten anything and I'm not hungry, just that I'm tired. But it's this okra soup that's I'm craving, which I have to go and cook right now. Yeah, so let's go to the kitchen and start cooking our soup. Okay, my soup is almost ready, guys. As you can see, it's here boiling. So it left for me to put the okra and then the vegetable. But first of all, I just want to show you guys like this is the vegetable ugu that I cut last time that I received some food stuff from Nigeria. And then I told you guys that I will not be washing them, that I will just cut it and put it in the freezer. And at the end of the day, when I bring it out, that is going to be fresh, which one of the lady here that has Afro shop gave to me then the tip. Yeah, so right now I'm going to be opening it because somebody asked me in the comment section whether the tip really worked. So let's go ahead and open it. This is almost like 2 months now, guys, that I put this fresh ugu in my freezer. So I just brought one out. So let's go ahead right now and open it to see whether it's still fresh or so let's go ahead, okay, and check it out. I hope it's showing like very well, guys. As you can see, the tip really worked too. As you can see, the vegetable is still fresh, guys. What do you think? I'm going to go ahead and wash it like 3 times before I should go ahead and use it, because you guys know very well that I did not wash it before I cut it because I want to experiment. I want to see whether the tip worked. So this is our soup. Let me go ahead and put the okra now, guys. And I'm not going to cook it like so long because I want it to be fresh as possible. That is the cocoa there. So what I find out about this ugu is that immediately I put it inside the water, the color changes, but not too bad. It's still fresh though. So I went ahead and washed it like 4 times because I find out that the first time I washed it, at the bottom I found out there is a lot of sand. So that's why I went ahead and make sure that all the sand are out before I should use it. Yeah, so make sure that if you are using this method, make sure that you wash it very well before you go ahead and use it. Yeah, so I'll go ahead now and put the fish, because I don't want it to scatter in my soup. I cook it with the meat before, but I later remove it. So now I'm putting it back and cover our soup. Okay. So guys, as you can see, our okra soup is ready. So I'll go ahead and off the stove right now. Yeah, my food is ready after the kids ate their breakfast. So I put chicken legs and the french fries. That's what they eat for lunch. But now I asked them whether they are going to follow me to eat this okra soup. They said no, maybe later. Yeah, I'm going to be demolishing this my food right now. Let me just show you guys. This is my food that I will be eating right now, guys. Check it out. But I don't think that I will be able to finish this, but let me see. So I'll go ahead right now and eat it, and I will talk to you guys later. Okay? Yeah. No, no, Fufu.
I wish I'm wish you go away and wish. I'm going to wish. I'm going to now.
Ghana is cutting his hair. Nam, are you happy that you are cutting your hair? You're not happy. You're not happy? But look at your hair. You are looking beautiful and handsome. Even when the hair is not even done.
When I say he's not happy.
Nam, you are not happy? You don't want to be handsome? Nah. When you finish, I'll come and see your style your daddy gives to you. Okay? I'm not sure you come. Let's go and continue our hair. Look at my hair. Like the oil is dripping on my clothes. For you to see that today is very, very hot. The oil and leave-in conditioner that I put, in my hair is dripping off. Look at it. So I'm supposed to be doing this hair like outside Amanachi's hair, but Wona is cutting his hair outside with the daddy. His hair I'm doing to Amanachi. We are still not yet done. We still have plenty here, but guys, I'm just tired. I know hair is a little bit dark. You people cannot be able to see it, but when the hair is done, I will show you guys. Okay? So this is the wool. I'm using wool to do their hair always. I don't really like to use attachment, but sometimes I do use extension, but wool is always better. It's always like very good with their natural hair. Let me continue doing Amanachi's hair, and when I'm done I will show you guys definitely. Okay, so talk to you guys later. Wool that I used. So we are done. Oh god, I was so busy. I was taking care of the baby. I was coming here and there. That's why the hair takes too long to finish. But thank God we are done. So let me see your face. So we are done. You like it? You like your hair? Yeah. So choose